5 grams in financial services, reshaping banking and payments. Title: 5 grams in financial services, reshaping banking and payments. Introduction. The fifth generation of wireless technology, commonly known as 5 grams, has emerged as a transformative force across various industries. While its impact on communication and connectivity is well known, the area that stands to benefit significantly from this technology is the financial services sector. With the potential to revolutionize banking and payments, 5 grams is reshaping the way financial transactions are conducted and opening up new possibilities for the industry. This article explores the intersection of 5 grams and financial services, delving into the benefits, challenges, and future prospects. For this emerging partnership. 1. Faster and more efficient payments. One of the most significant advantages of 5 grams for financial services is its capability to enable faster and more efficient payments. The high-speed and low-latency nature of 5 grams networks ensures that transactions can be completed within milliseconds, eliminating any delays currently faced with existing infrastructure. This enhanced speed not only accelerates the payment process for consumers but also provides businesses with real-time transaction data, thus improving operational efficiency. 2. Enhanced security and fraud prevention. Security is paramount in the financial services industry. 5 grams offers improved security features that can enhance fraud prevention measures. With enhanced encryption protocols and an increased capacity for network segregation, 5 grams networks offer a more secure environment for sensitive financial data. This not only protects consumers but also safeguards financial institutions from potential cyber threats and hackers, thereby increasing overall confidence in the banking and payment ecosystem. 3. Seamless mobile banking experience. Mobile banking has already become a prominent channel for financial transactions, and 5 grams technology takes this experience to the next level. This enhanced experience will spur greater adoption of mobile banking services, benefiting both consumers and financial institutions. 4. IoT and the future of payments. The Internet of Things, IoT, is rapidly expanding, connecting an increasing number of devices and objects. With 5 grams' ability to support massive machine-to-machine communication, the IoT landscape becomes more robust, especially in the financial services industry. Smart devices, such as connected cars, wearables, or home appliances, can potentially perform financial transactions autonomously in a highly secure environment. This not only offers convenience and efficiency to consumers but also opens up new revenue streams for financial service providers. 5. Improved financial inclusion. 5 grams technology has the potential to bridge the digital divide and improve financial inclusion. With its ability to provide high-speed connectivity in remote and underserved areas, 5 grams ensures that previously unreachable populations can access financial services. This development empowers individuals and businesses by providing them with equal opportunities to engage in digital transactions, access banking services, and benefit from various payment options. Ultimately, this can contribute to economic growth and poverty reduction on a global scale. Challenges and considerations. While the prospects brought by 5 grams to the financial services industry are promising, challenges and considerations must also be addressed. Firstly, the widespread deployment of 5 grams infrastructure requis. Significant investment by telecom companies and financial institutions. The cost of rolling out this technology globally may slow down its adoption, particularly in certain regions with limited sources. Additionally, ensuring cybersecurity and data privacy will be critical, as the increased reliance on a connected infrastructure also exposes the industry to potential vulnerabilities and risks. Future outlook. 5 grams technology has the potential to revolutionize banking and payments in ways previously unimaginable. As the world becomes more connected and digitalized, financial services will need to adapt to keep pace with changing consumer expectations. The integration of 5 grams into the industry will drive innovation, improve efficiency, and enhance security measures. From contactless payments to real-time data analytics, the potential applications of 5 grams in financial services are vast, and the future holds immense possibilities. As 5 grams technology continues to expand and evolve, its impact on the financial services sector is becoming increasingly significant. The introduction of 5 grams networks allows for faster and more efficient payments, benefiting both consumers and businesses. With transactions completed within milliseconds, delays that currently exist within the payment process are eliminated. This speed not only enhances the consumer's experience but also provides real-time transaction data, improving operational efficiency for businesses. The security of financial transactions is a top priority in the industry, and 5 grams networks offer enhanced security features. These features include improved encryption protocols and increased capacity for network segregation, creating a more secure environment for sensitive financial data. This not only protects consumers from potential cyber threats but also provides financial institutions with added confidence in the safety of the banking and payment ecosystem. The seamless mobile banking experience is another area where 5 grams technology excels. With its unparalleled speed and capacity, 5 grams enables higher quality video conferencing, smoother app usage, and faster access to account information. This enhanced experience drives greater adoption of mobile banking services, benefiting both consumers and financial institutions alike. The Internet of Things, IoT, is also revolutionizing the financial services industry, and 5 grams plays a crucial role in its advancement. With 5 grams' ability to support massive machine-to-machine communication tie-in, smart devices can perform financial transactions autonomously within a secure environment. This not only provides convenience and efficiency to consumers but also opens up new revenue streams for financial service providers. Moreover, 5 grams technology has the potential to bridge the digital divide and improve financial inclusion. By providing high-speed connectivity in remote and underserved areas, 5 grams ensures that previously unreachable populations gain access to financial services. This empowers individuals and businesses, contributing to economic growth and poverty reduction globally. However, challenges and considerations must be addressed along the way. The widespread deployment of 5 grams infrastructure requires significant investment, which may slow down its adoption, especially in regions with limited resources. Furthermore, ensuring cybersecurity and data privacy is crucial if the connected infrastructure exposes the industry to potential vulnerabilities and threats. Looking ahead, the future of banking and payments with 5 grams technology is promising. As the world becomes increasingly connected and digitalized, financial services must adapt to meet changing consumer expectations. The integration of 5 grams will drive innovation, improve efficiency, and enhance security measures. Contactless payments and real-time data analytics are just a glimpse of the potential app. Applications of 5 grams in financial services. Advancements in 5 grams technology have brought about numerous benefits for the financial services industry. One of the most notable advantages is the ability to facilitate faster and more efficient payment. NTS. With the high-speed and low-latency nature of 5 grams networks, transactions can be completed within milliseconds, eliminating any delays that currently exist. This not only accelerates the payment process for consumers but also provides businesses with real-time transaction data, improving their operational efficiency. Furthermore, 5 grams offers enhanced security features that contribute to the prevention of fraud. The technology includes improved encryption protocols and the capacity for network segregation, creating a more secure environment for sensitive financial data. The integration of 5 grams technology also provides a seamless mobile banking experience. With its unprecedented speed and capacity, 5 grams allows for higher quality video conferencing, smoother app usage, and faster access to account information. This improved experience encourages greater adoption of mobile banking services, benefiting both consumers and financial institutions.